Today on Features News, we announce 4 new features to the DSM tool platform. So thank you for joining me today in this video. No matter where you're watching us, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, please consider to subscribe to our channel or to follow us in order to help us grow. If you do like what you hear, consider clicking the like button, to share this post, to retweet, well, all of those things that helps businesses like us grow. Thank you. So let's go down to the features. The first feature that we are releasing today is support of multi-variations. These are actually huge news, because if until today, from your supplier, you would have to choose only one variant, meaning, for example, if you're publishing something that has different sizes, different colors, anything like that, you could only choose one variant to upload, to publish. And then, if that variant goes out of stock, well, your entire listing goes out of stock. If someone comes into your listing and want to buy a different color and different size, you wouldn't be able to get it. You would also, if you want to list multiple variants in different listings, you would have to pay for more listing submission. That's why multi-variations into a single listing is huge news for you, and we hope that it will help you to save money, sell more, be more available, and have less out of stocks. So that's great. And that's feature number 1. Well, actually, that's not everything. We also improved and changed completely the user experience when it comes to listing and repricing items. In the Rapid Lister, if you'll go to the Rapid Lister, you'll find a brand new design that was designed by an expert user experience designers. We have analyzed your moves in the Rapid Lister and made it much more simple to use. Not only that, but after you list the item in the price monitor, if you have multi-variations to a single item, instead of having multiple rows and a huge mess and inability to understand what's going on, everything is under a single row. If you want to see all the variants, all you have to do is click on the plus button. Same for editing, everything is simple, because we believe in simple user experience that will help you save time and invest your time in something much more important, which is doing marketing, selling more, and hopefully growing your dropshipping business. The second feature that we're releasing today is a support of 4 new suppliers. It's 2 websites, but these are 4 suppliers. First, we have Wayfair. Wayfair is supported now in the US, in the UK, and in Germany. These are great news for UK and Germany sellers that until today only could list from either Amazon or Chinese suppliers, and now they have another local supplier to dropship from. The second supplier that we are supporting is Tmart. Tmart is a Chinese supplier, but what's great about Tmart is that it has a dropshipping program. Dropshipping programs in 2019 are highly relevant. As you all know, eBay has changed their policy when it comes to dropshipping, and I will link in the description below our thoughts about it and what we think that means about dropshipping in 2019. So please consider going there, going to that blog article of ours, saying that a supplier that has a dropshipping program is great news for all of us, because we can dropship in a much more legitimate way that would help us maintain a sustainable and a good business. So I hope you will all check it out. You can go to Tmart website. If you scroll down in the footer, you'll find the dropshipping program. And we are also going to provide a lot of content that is related to how to start dropshipping when there is a supplier with dropshipping programs, and what benefits can you get if you do it through DSM tool. Not only variations and new suppliers, but also today we are releasing an improvement to our Chrome extension, the DSM tool Auto Paste. It is called like that because this is exactly what it does for you. Instead of you wasting a lot of time on copy and pasting, that's what we have decided to do for you. Let's see what are its main features. Before I'm saying what are its features, it is supported in all of the DSM tool suppliers, which is amazing because every supplier that we add, we are also supporting it in the Chrome extension, with the Chrome extension. All right, so first it has an items collector. The item collector allows you to, while you browse the supplier, it puts a list in DSM button in all of the products. So if you found a product that you want to list right now, you don't even have to copy and paste the URL of that item into the rapid lister of DSM. You just have to click list in DSM and it does it all for you. Not only that, but if you want to collect items, multiple items, and you want to list all of them in once, you can click the plus button and it will add those items into a list. That list could then, within a click of a button, be copied and pasted into the bulk lister of DSM, where you can list all of the items at once. All right, that's one thing. The second thing that it helps you to do is to process orders. Once you get, let's say you get 10 orders per day, instead of you needing to now take the buyer's information and then take the name and paste it into the checkout name, and then take his address and paste that into the checkout address part, you can now, through DSM, click on one single button that will copy that information, and in the supplier website, we are implementing a button that says paste the buyer information, and then you can click on it and it will paste all of the buyer information immediately. So that should help you save a lot of time during the checkout process. Not only that, but also after you order the item to your customer, now there is the stage of updating the tracking information. That is done even more automatically. Why? Because once you get an email, it's enough for you to open that email and we detect that there is a tracking information. We take that information, we redirect directly into DSM tool, and the Chrome extension opens the right order and gives you a button that says paste the tracking information. All you have to do is check that everything was copy and pasted correctly and click update on eBay. That's almost a completely automated tracking uploading. And did I mention it's all completely free? It's all completely for free. All right. The third thing that also happens for free, and DSM tool is the only platform to support it today for free, completely for free, in the Chrome extension, which is also given for free, is Bluecar Express support. If you are sourcing from Amazon to eBay, there is a lot of discussion these days whether you should or shouldn't dropship from Amazon to eBay, but well, effectively, people are still doing it. So if you are dropshipping from Amazon to eBay and you're getting Amazon Logistics, it's called AMZL, tracking information, we are exchanging it together. We have made a collaboration with a company called Bluecar Express, and we are exchanging that tracking information into a Bluecar tracking information, which eBay accepts, which should reduce questions from your buyers. Where is my item? I can't, I didn't get tracking information because eBay doesn't accept Amazon Logistics tracking information. So the buyers can now follow the order. It should reduce fraudulent, because if a buyer wants to open a case, now he actually has tracking information. He can't say I never got the item. And generally, it can help you maintain a top-rated seller rating, which is great because Amazon Logistics tracking information does not count for top-rated seller status. The last update for today is that DSM tool is now complied with the new requirements of eBay for 2019 for the eBay catalog. eBay is changing. The way that buyers are searching on eBay today, until today, is that if you look for something, let's say an iPhone, you would get 100,000 results, 100,000 sellers that are trying to sell an iPhone. Well, it's changing now. So when you're looking for an item on eBay, what you're going to find is a single listing, and all of the sellers for that item will be listed in that listing. It's kind of similar to what Amazon is doing with the buy box. And there are a lot of questions to ask about how will we do dropshipping when eBay is based on a buy box as well? How long will it take for eBay to implement that across all of the website? Well, we don't know yet to answer all of those questions, but we do know that if you will try today to list items that eBay forces to be inserted directly to the catalog, it's kind of hard to tell which items these are, but there are items like that, and the amount of items that will be requested to be submitted directly to the catalog is growing. You will not be able to do that. You will get an error. Only in DSM tool, we are the first lister that I know of that is supporting that new feature by DSM tool, the new eBay API. Only with DSM tool, you will be able to still go through and list those items directly into the catalog. In order to enable that feature, go to your account settings, and under the General tab, where the eBay connection is, you will find a new eBay connection. It's called the new eBay API. You'll have to connect to again to eBay, just like you did for the first time when you established your DSM tool account, and that's it. You're connected to the new API. From now on, because of our new feature, if you will be publishing an item that belongs to this list, this growing list of items that eBay forces all of us as sellers to list directly into the catalog, it will be listed and you will not get an error. More than that, if you have existing items, eBay will start to to not promote them because and they will not be visible to buyers because they are not part of the catalog. So you also have a feature that allows you to assign all of your products into the eBay catalog. You may use it, you may not use it. It really depends on your strategy as a seller, but it's out there and we are the first to support it. And I'm happy to announce it. All right, these were many updates. And I hope that you guys like the fact that we started to push new functionalities, new suppliers, new things and new ways to do dropshipping, and that's what we're going to continue doing. Comment below which other features would you like to see, which other suppliers should we support, what can we do to ease the process of dropshipping for you. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please consider to subscribe or to follow us or to share that post or anything that you do depending where you're watching us. Thank you very much and see you next time.